If you find the content relevant, then do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell button to get a regular notification. Also do share your experiences and any suggestions that you have in the comment box. Hope you enjoy it. Hi, so this video is specifically for IIFT examination. What you need to do day before the exam. That's the basic plan. So what I normally recommend is relax one day before the exam. Try to do activities that will take your mind off IIFTs, which also basically means not to read this video. But anyway, so you can look at movies, you can read your storybooks or something that you like or something that you're passionate about. So try, because in aptitude examination, what is normally seen is the more relaxed you are as far as the exam day goes, the better you will perform in the exam, right? So as far as possible, try to do activities that move your mind off the IFT. Also ensure that the time period for at 3 to 5 when the actual exam is conducted, don't sleep at that point of time. Try to keep yourself busy at that particular time, because normally your body clock continues whatever you do. So you sleep on one day at the same time, you may feel sleepy in a similar time on the next day. So it makes sense to be active during that particular period. The best way would be to read, okay, during that particular time. Now, but there would be people who says no, I want to prepare. So say if I want to prepare for IFT exam, then what you could do means go through the GK that you have already prepared. That is the best way to go about preparing as far as the exam is concerned, because we tend to forget a lot of GK. So going through whatever you have already prepared as far as GK is concerned could help. I don't think preparing for new GK is important, but just glancing through, you must have gone through some GK material or some questions or something on that. Just glance through it just to revise your mind, refresh your mind. That is perfectly all right. You can do that maybe in the next day morning, on the exam day morning itself. I mean, normally what happens is that we talk about the whole exam into two parameters. One is something like where you need to memorize thing and go for the exam, like the GK. Second is the aptitude, like the maths and English. You don't need to memorize. Okay, so GK is where you can brush up if you want. Second is go to the strategy that you plan to use in the exams. You must have already have a strategy in place. So just go to the strategy. Maybe you've written a few mocks, glance through that, see what strategy you had used. Was it working properly? Was it not, etc. Just do a rough estimate of your strategy. Spend time on reading. I mean, I would recommend that if you do want to do something, reading is a good thing that you can do, because normally for English, the more you read closer to the exam, the better it is. So you can spend time on reading. I would also recommend some to spend some time on calculations, because again, you keep your mind fresh with regards to calculations, and there are a lot of calculations in DI and mathematics. So if you're good at calculation, it'll help you to be fast in that particular. To continue that, you can maybe solve a few DI sets, that is basically to keep you fresh with regards to calculations. So solve a few DI sets, again, just, and maybe even logic. I mean, there are some type of logic like input output or number series. If you have made some notes for those logic type of questions, maybe you can go to those notes just to know what type of questions or what could help. So if you plan to prepare, this is what you can do. I mean, right from GK, strategy, reading, calculation, DI sets, a little bit of logic is what. I have not specifically kept mathematics, because normally doing maths doesn't help so much, because you will have always a new type of question coming in the exam. So there's nothing that you can do. And almost all the questions that comes in the exam are based on your school concepts, which you already must be knowing after going to so many exams. But yes, doing this could help. You can go to this. All the best for the examination. Thank you.